हाय गाइस, क्या लाइफ से तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं सम इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट के बारे में। रीडर ए रियोस्टेट कैन बी यूज एज अ पोटेंशियल डिवाइडर जाएगा। यस, पोटेंशियल कैन बी डिवाइडेड इज अप्लाइड बिटवीन द एंड पॉइंट and two wires are the connected between one of these points of the connecting screw on the slide contact. By the sliding this contact is required, potential difference can be applied between the end of wire. Standard resistance coils are the made of which materials and why are made of the magnesium and constant because these have the low temperature coefficient and higher specific resistance. Why connecting wire are made of copper? Because specific resistance of copper is lowest except silver. What is the galvanometer? Galvanometer is device detector the presence of the current in the circuit. How many types of the galvanometer are there? Two types होता है, moving the magnet station coil galvanometer, moving coil stationary magnetic galvanometer. दिया है why deflections is often on passing current through the moving coil galvanometer. Current is passing through the coil placed in magnetic field. Deflections couples is developed in the coil due to which a coil rotate. Restoring torque is developed in suspension wires which oppose the deflection torque. When two torque become equal and coil come in equilibrium, this deflection of coil is observed by the point fix of the coil. दिशामा दिया है guys. Which type of galvanometer you can using in your experiment? Coil, stationary and magnetic galvanometer. Why the magnetic pole in galvanometer are cut connect magnetic field in radical. What is meant by the radical field? The plane of coil is always parallel and magnetic line force. What is use of core? Increasing intensity of the magnetic field and magnetic line of the force tend to concentrated towards its central. Shunt is the low resistance connecting in the parallel to galvanometer coil. What is benefit of shunt? Shunt is allow most of current pass through the it and therefore protected the coil from the burning and damaging of the ammeter. क्या होता है? Ammeter is the low resistance galvanometer and is used to measurement current. How ammeter is connected circuit? It is connected in a series. What is an ideal ammeter? Ammeter is having the zero resistance. Voltmeter क्या होता है? A galvanometer of high resistance used for measurement of potential difference between the 2 points of the circuit. How voltmeter is connected in the circuit? It is connected in the parallel. Ideal voltmeter which has infinite series.